document this.
She's just amazed.
Shall we all sing with it?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tilly. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Grandma's gonna let you blow it out. Here we go. Okay, Daddy, I'm gonna help. Are you ready? Blow. 1, 2. Now you can have your birthday cake. It's banana. What do you think? Go ahead. It's banana cake for you.
Oh, it's shaped like a star.
Because she's our little star. That's your banana cake. Is it good?
Num, Till.
That's homemade banana bread with no eggs and no milk. Yeah.
Grandma made that just for you.
Just for you, baby.
What a
darling.
loving grandma you have. Yes.
Lots of bananas.
Oh my God. She's like stuffing it in her mouth.
She's shredding it.
Say, this is the natural birthday cake thing. Forget the gooey icings. Bring me the bananas.
Hey man,
I love
banana-
bananas.
the banana outdoes us. She
And
loves-
garbanzo bean flour and potato starch and all natural stuff, huh? All natural.
Garbanzo bean flour.
Because no egg, no dairy are also no gluten. So
Boy,
Yes.
bless your heart for doing
I know,
that.
right? She made like 12 recipes.
I had to try it till I found one that worked.
This is a work in progress for a while.
She likes it. She definitely likes it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
She's like double fisting it into her mouth.
And that's your Uncle Doug plate. Yeah.
That's Animal Baby.
Animal
That's
baby.
a lion.
He
a
goes,
lion.
what does the lion say?
Papa.
Papa.
See, ba.
Oh, ba.
Because she thinks
It was
everything's a
ba, that's right.